This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 77 of building Transformers Optimus Prime. This is continuing the foot. We're going to be doing the foot and the leg for a while to come. Looking at Joshua Joyce to begin with, President and Soul of Kinetic Solutions Incorporated. Yeah, this was the one where they nano Transformers thing. Didn't really get into that one. Very valuable key, Vector Sigma, apparently. Chinia. I can't even say it, but it's about arachnophobia. It's not a spider. It's yeah, don't know. There we go. Animated part 2, break with convention. Things being a little bit different. Looking at some of the episodes from that. And new building. The left foot, part 4. In this issue, the toes are fitted on Optimus Prime's left foot. Yeah, I vaguely remember doing this bit last time. So we've got toe bits, another heel sort of side instep bit, a little bit more on the top, and a little bit more on the top as well. That's pretty much the foot finished, isn't it? Yeah, there's a little bit more internally to do where we've got to attach this bit, but we're getting there. Certainly getting there. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get on with it. So I have the foot so far from previously already good to go. The toes we've got here. We've got the other bits and decorative parts to install. Is that the bit that we're not doing yet? It might well be, or it might be the small one. I can't tell. We'll figure it out when we get there. First of all, we're going to fit these two. We need TM screws for that, and washers. Yes. So TM, there we go. One of them for each side. And a spare washers. One of them for each side. And a spare. Don't need those yet. Do need that. Don't need that. We'll need those. So these are obviously going onto the toe section on the front here. They are different. And this one goes on that side. It goes on there like that. Nice and easy. We've got the TM screw with a washer on it. Go in there. Like that. That lined up. Going in anywhere? Where's that not going? Feels like it should be there, but it's not. That back off there. It's definitely going on there. But why does that feel like that's not going on there properly? Am I being an idiot? Can't be that one. That would be the wrong way up. And oh no, maybe it is that one, and it fits on better like that. And this goes inside. Yeah, that's it. Goes on that way. Because that's where the other bit fits onto. You've got the toe that moves, and then that with the internal piece goes on there like that. Cool. And then the same on the other side. So we need to repeat that with that one. Washer. That on there, that way up. That in there onto that. Yeah, because it's a smooth bit underneath, not the smooth bit on the top. No, because I'm building it up the wrong way. So yes, it is that way around with the smooth bit on the top. I had the whole foot sort of upside down to how my brain thought it was. So that goes on there, and then that locates in there again with the notch lining up with that piece. Just like that. There we go. So the toes will move a little bit, but makes it basically sit just like that. Then we have, what have we got now? We've still got a little bit there. This is going onto there. Again, not terribly clear parts that line up. It's definitely on the back bit, but right, let me pull down my magnifying goggles so I can see closer exactly what I'm doing on this bit. That's not terribly clear to me. There's bottom of a bit that I can't see. Oh, it's on the other side, that's why. I'm an idiot. It goes on there, onto there. There we go. Yeah, that makes sense. I had it turned around again. So that pin goes into that, and that locates on there, and that just holds in place like so. That's not articulated. Then we've got this, get it the right way round. Got it that way around, and it says bend that down. Then that bit goes on bottom here over that bit. That way round, yes. Sits on there. Got to be that way around, surely, because that's, yeah, that way around. Over there, like so. Covers over a seam. Good, that's that then. Then we need this bit on top of that, with that going that way. Like that, and that's where the screw comes in place, the IP screw. I can get one out. There's one out, and one storage. That goes down the top there, holds that in place. Armor piece. And then these two bits fit onto the very front. That bit does. Ooh, if I don't drop it. That way round. Like that. There. And then that will go over the top and cover it all over. Lined up. There we go. That's that. And that is another issue complete. That we are putting on soon. Over there somewhere-ish. Another foot done. Almost getting there. We have got a few more bits to put onto it, so we're not even close to being finished, really. But for now, we are. So thank you very much for joining me on this. There's one more issue of building the foot, and then we start on the base for the final issue. And in the final issue, we look at the free gift that I got in this pack. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye for now.